Kalofa tu mako. Afola na kai. Kuo I Queenstown. Ke what's the witness mahoana Fungavai Haku. I'm here in Queenstown at Lake Hayes to witness my brother-in-law get married, my brother Josh. I'm just here on the spot before everyone arrives. See, we'll set it up. They got it right here by the lake, by the view. It's quite nice. Yeah, Fulawala. So we're just here in Queenstown for the wedding. We're here early. Yeah, cool. Hope you enjoyed the video.
Alright, hey Josh, I remember when we were kids, like we were this big in primary school, and we talked about the day that you would get married, or me, and obviously you beat me to it. But it's such an honour to be here with you today and celebrate having known you for so long. So I just want to congratulate you, Josh and Lida, on today, and it's a really special day, and I'm so honoured to be here. So congratulations, and I want to wish you guys all the best for your future. Awesome.
Thanks, Ben.
Kia ora, Josh. Thanks for inviting me here to be a part of this special moment. I've known you since we were kids, primary school, and yeah, I guess you know, didn't think that I'd come down to Queenstown and attend your wedding when I first met you. So it's amazing, man. And I've seen you. I've grown up with you, so I know where you came from and the man you've become, and I'm really proud to call you my friend, and really proud of everything today as well. Love you, bro.
Congratulations, guys.
Thanks.
Congratulations on your special day. All the best for your future.
Thanks.
And Lida, and what a wonderful place to have a wedding, and looking forward to it. It's a bit cold for us Aucklanders, but congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats, Josh and Lida, on your beautiful wedding. We're so happy to be here in Queenstown.
Congratulations, Josh and Lida, on the beautiful wedding. So thankful to be a part of this.
Well wishes on your honeymoon in Southeast Asia. Sounds amazing. Wish we could be there.
So exciting. Been waiting for this for so long. And it's come at last. So Lida looks beautiful. She's getting all made up and hair done at the house, and it looks gorgeous. So when the flowers survive, it looks beautiful. And a lovely house to go and have the reception as well. Really good. Yeah, very, very exciting. Very cold, but as I just said, I've got a bit more advantage. When we arrived, it was absolutely freezing. But not now. Just cool. Somebody else is having photographs. Okay, wish them all the best. And a lovely, lovely, long, lovely, happy life together. And I'm sure they will. They're just so suited. Lovely couple.
Hi, Josh and Lida. It's a lovely day, and it's congratulations for your wedding. And we have big celebration. Yeah, congratulations.
You say something in Japanese? Say something in Japanese.
おめでとうございます。ご結婚おめでとうございます。これからも幸せに暮らしてください。
ありがとう。Man, thank you.
Their names haven't arrived yet, eh, DJ?
I don't know, man. Sorry, bro. Just John.
Mate, I'm Andy. Nice to meet you, man. Celebrant today.
Oh, celebrant, bro.
Here to make sure that they actually get married.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Man, looks handsome, me.
It does. Grows up well. Awesome. No, really. When DJ does get here, do you mind sending him over and I'll just get the music playing?
Elena, Josh and Lisa. Well done. Congratulations. And you got us all down here. Most of us that could get here, that aren't busy doing other things, we're all here. Yoo-hoo. And what a setting. And I'm going to pinch your mum's word, majestic. It is majestic. Love it. Go well.
This is Josh's wedding. I'm here to celebrate, set up, get ready. We've got the grazing platter here. Prosecco on tap. It's going to be a good day. Congratulations, Josh. There we go. Off to DJ.
Yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful clay out here at the moment. But yeah, it's going to be a beautiful day for Josh and Lita. Absolutely amazing. We're honoured to be here to get amongst the love, Max, to celebrate love. And thank you for having us.
Oh, congratulations! And who would have thought you'd be getting married? But in Queenstown. What a spot!
Yeah.
And lots of love from our side of the family, Josh. Love you, man. Love you, Lita. Welcome to the family. And wow, what a spot! Who would have thunk?
Man, Queenstown, all right? Yeah.
Ah, Queenstown, man. What a beautiful place. What a beautiful family. And yeah, all the best for today. Enjoy, Josh. Love you, man.
Oh, congratulations! So happy to be here. That's it.
It's a perfect match. A perfect match. I think they both got really got. They part of the place. They're into the lifestyle. Hiking and they understand. Both quite natural.
Did you get on the camera?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Yep.
That's all I've got to say.
Okay, yep.
Today's a big day. Josh and Lita joining together in marriage, so I'm really excited. Everyone here is really excited, and we're just waiting for Lita, and it's all going to happen. And we've made a nice treat there for everyone, and it's going to be a good day.
Cool. 5 minutes, bro? 5 minutes.
And I'll come and get you in a second, okay?
Oh.
When did you come down here?
Aussie boys. Thai boys. Doi. Hey. Man, look like you're from the mafia, man. Oh, Janina. Where's Janina? Hey, someone come. Last words, bro. Yeah.
What's up?
Excited
to happen. It's happening. Get married today.
Good hear questions. How are you feeling, bro?
I'm tired. I'm excited. I'm excited to see everyone here and to see Lita soon. Be married soon.
Oh, wish you all the best, bro. Listen, being single is not too late, bro.
Touch me on my face, kiss me on my hand, take me to a place where we found love. Show me what it means and how it's supposed to feel. You got all I need.
very naturally their two lives have interwoven into one, and whether they're out for a hike or snuggled up in front of the TV together, not a day goes by when they aren't grateful for one another's company. And that is the real beauty of what these two share. They have learned to truly appreciate life in its simplest form, and that means that so long as they have each other, they will always have something, or rather someone, to be grateful. Josh is patient and thoughtful, honest and open. Lita is calm and easygoing, but strong and determined. And together they are a force of love and positivity, not just for each other, but for everyone that they hold dear. They must be so proud to know that you are marrying the love of your life today. Support her in every way that you know how, from this day and for all of your days still to come. And Lita, do you willingly and with your whole heart take Josh's hand in marriage today, promising to love, respect and support him in every way you know how, from this day and for all of your days still to come?
I do.
Well, with your intentions made crystal clear, I'd now like to invite each of you to share your personal vows with each other. Now, would one of you prefer to go first, or is it a paper, scissors, rock to decide? Oh, we've got to take it? Pass this to you. I'll pass this to you as well. Nice and close to your mouth. Just take your time, okay?
Thank you for coming into my life, and thank you for saying I bought that when I met you at checkout at Savoy. I've loved you more and more ever since the first day I said it. Your beautiful smile and humor cheers me up every day. I vow to adore you, respect you, and live my own way. Your positive and calm personality has made everything we have done together easy and joyful. I know that through any tough time we can get through it together. I vow to keep you safe, to provide for you, and to take care of you. I've always felt we're lucky to find each other, and I'm grateful that we have created a relationship we both want that is built on love for each other. Falling in love with you has been very natural and joyful, as you're a beautiful, strong, genuine, caring, loving, happy, and easygoing person, and I'm proud to be in your life. I promise to enjoy each moment with you by your side. I vow to love, encourage, and support you always.
Josh, my love. I'm so glad I took the time and came here to New Zealand, and I never could imagine that I would meet my better half in my soulmate for life. I'm so thankful to stand right by your side today and making this ultimate commitment to you. You make me laugh every day and form the room as though I never met. I have always forsaken my love and you right by my side. And like I always say, it's such a wonderful feeling to be loved by someone that you love. And that's how I feel every single day. And I would never trade this with anything else in this world. Your caring nature, your honesty, and your family values is something that I always admire. Thank you, Mila, for always being by my side, for supporting me, guiding me, comforting me whenever I feel down. You love me for my faults and imperfections, and you truly understand me. So wherever this journey takes us, I will always walk by your side, support support you in tough times and celebrate with you in good times. And I'm looking forward to spending the rest of my life laughing, growing, and making many more wonderful memories together. Josh, I love you so much, forever and ever.
Good job. If you could just hold there for a second, we're going to pass the box back to you, okay? So we'll take the rings out. So do you want to open that up for us? Hi Joshua, from your phone still.
Hi Joshua, from your phone still.
Take you leader.
Take you leader, Tali.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
Alright, leader, please take Josh's hands. That's the one. And repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love.
as a symbol of my love.
I, Leader Polly,
I, Leader Polly,
take you, Joshua, from your home soon
take you, Joshua, from your home so much
to be my husband.
to be my husband.
Beautiful. All right, take each other's hands. Give them a little squeeze. Feel that new bling on your fingers. And for a moment, one more time, I want the two of you really to take this moment in. And whilst you do that, I want to leave you with this quote from the great poet and activist Maya Angelou, who said, "I've learned that whenever I decide something with an open heart, I usually make the right decision. I've learned that even when I have pains, I don't have to be one. I've learned that every day you should reach out and touch someone. People love a warm hug or even just a pat on the back. I've learned that I still have a lot to learn. I've learned that people, they will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget the way that you made them feel." Leader and Josh, here's to a lifetime of making one another feel as wonderful as you do here today. It is with great excitement that I may now pronounce you, Josh and Leader, husband and wife!
Thank you friends and family for all the help and support. We couldn't have done it without you guys. Thank you.
Kakun Mark. Do you want to say something for Josh? Hey, Nari.
Hello.